Hi, my name is Koka Abiodun. I'm a pastor. I also run a real estate firm. I'm here live at Keisho University here in the heart of Lagos. I've come here for Adobe Masterclass and wow, I have been so wowed, just like I said, wow. Why? Because I've learned Adobe Illustrator. I've learned how to use Adobe Premiere Pro. In fact, I've done wonderfully well within the space of this academia. I want to encourage you to come. Now I can edit my video. I can transform my video. You see all those pimples on the pictures? I can remove them now. You can't understand what I'm saying if you sit back at home. I want you to come to Keisho University, and we are also live on the internet, www.keishouniversity.com. Just visit that website and every other thing you will get there. Once again, my name is Abiodun Koka. I am inviting you because I've gotten the best. Thank you.